Respect the nature, or else. Chapter 72. First, let's read in Chinese. 道德经第72章：民之不畏威，则大威将至矣。勿挟其所居，勿厌其所生。夫为弗厌，是以不厌。是以圣人自知而不自见也，自爱而不自贵也。故去彼取此。Translate to English. When people are not afraid of the power of the Tao, then the great power will be at its height. The vessel will not be restricted. Inhabit a vessel free of restrictions. It gives life. For this exact reason, the masters do not go beyond their limits. They do not go beyond their limits. The sage naturally perceives and does not have opinions. They naturally express humanity in their actions and do not give preference to themselves. They are able to discard giving preference to themselves and take hold of expressing humanity in their actions. Now with globalization and modernization, we cook the earth like an egg. And we think the earth is stupid, just like a frog. It doesn't know the water is warming up and it will be killed. That's why he sent us a message with COVID as a warning. Tell us to stop. But the civic human, fooled by ego, instead of taking this message, we start blaming each other, saying it's your fault. And we forgot, while you're pointing others, 3 or 4 fingers you're pointing yourself. Because this ego fooled us. So today's homework, how to bypass the ego and follow the Tao. Take a book of I Ching, and before you make any important decisions, close your eyes. Randomly, repeat, randomly open a page in the I Ching book. Because by randomly opening a page, we bypass the ego. Then that's the Tao pointed in the I Ching book. Hope that will help. Thank you. To be continued.